Hello, welcome back. Now, today we're going to cover our spinning back fist. Now, spinning back fist is a fun technique. I know in martial arts and in kickboxing and combative world, you've seen it done, I'm sure, on TV, maybe in the UFC or something, you've seen it happen. It's usually a desperation move. No one does it when they got things under control. They always do it out of desperation. But we're going to show you how to do it and do it safely. So let's get in our stance. Couple things, if you remember the footwork we did for the elementary version of the spinning sidekick, we're going to use the exact same footwork. That way, we keep our knees safe and we just take our time with our spin. We don't want to rush this spin. So basically, the first step would be stepping away from the target with the front foot. And now the same thing, you want to look over your right shoulder because the right hand is the one we're using. So we're going to post this elbow out, step in, and strike with the back fist and bring it back. So in the real world, obviously we're trying to hit with the back fist. Now there's a lot of other dirty ways to make this happen, to hit with the palm of the bottom of the fist, the forearm. You can do a spinning elbow. There's all kind of ways to make this really mean. But we're doing a spinning back fist on the bag. So when he does it, he wants to make sure he hits with the back of the glove because that's a safe target to hit with, okay? So let's take our steps. 1, elbow out, and 2, and back. Good. We don't want to stiff arm this thing because what's going to happen, that'll put undue stress on the shoulder and it could end up injuring his shoulder. So let's watch Drew do it again. He steps across, he turns, and he strikes. Notice it is a back fist. It's not a swing, it's a back fist. So it is a controlled movement, and that's very important because you don't want to uncontrol this thing because, like I said, the shoulder could get injured. So let's watch him step again. 1, 2, 3, and he returns back to his position, okay? So the spinning back fist, if you're looking at your target, the 12 o'clock target's here, he's going to be hitting with a rear hand, okay? This is his jab hand. So he may use that to throw the jab initially, and then he recovers and turns, booms, and throws a spinning back fist. So that is the elementary footwork for your spinning back fist. Remember, 1 connecting, 1 protecting. Watch Drew do this again. He steps, he turns. Now look at where this other hand is. See how it's nice and touching right here? He's protecting the brain with the other hand because this one was doing the strike, this one was connecting, and this one was protecting, all right? So have fun with it, work on your spinning back fist, use that elementary footwork version first until you get really comfortable and you'll have a blast. All right, now, we understood the spinning back fist with the elementary footwork. Now we're gonna let Drew do the more advanced footwork. So what I want you to think about here, obviously the spinning back fist, he's gonna hit with the back hand. In this case, he's in an orthodox position. His left hand's in front, right hand in the rear. His target's at 12 o'clock. So what he's gonna do, he's just gonna push off of this leg and give me a nice spin, boom. Notice the elbow comes out. See, this is the hinge joint that's gonna let that strike. Go ahead and hit my hand here. He's gonna let that strike come out with that hinge joint. He looked at his target. So remember we talked about, go ahead and return back. Remember, spin, look, deliver the technique. Never throw the technique without seeing your target first, okay? So let's watch again. He pushes and he hits, brings it back. He pushes, he turns, he strikes, he brings it back. He does it again, boom, very good. So number 1 rule, see your target. On this particular technique, he pulls the elbow out so he can give me a nice pop. It's a nice relaxed motion and you're hitting with the back of the glove right here where the 9R is. That's what you're hitting with on the bag or the target, all right? Have fun with that spin, practice. Remember to see your target before you hit it, and we'll see you in the gym.